1971, exactly 50 years back. We knew we had to begin with a drop that would become an ocean someday. So we started with small acts of kindness, doing everything in our power to try and give our community one less battle to fight, the battle of hunger. We are home to Asia's largest slum, a city whose streets are filled with helpless souls and unfed mouths. The plight we saw in our community was something that could be eradicated by the actions of human beings. In the words of the great Nelson Mandela, sometimes it falls on a generation to be great. You can be that generation. Those faces and that extreme hardship on them, we knew we had to be that generation. With Lions International making hunger as one of its key service areas, we set upon a perpetual mission to relieve hunger. One thing we are most proud of is this act has made sure, year after year, fewer and fewer people go to bed hungry in our community. In any given year, we are able to fill at least 50,000 stomachs, and for over a decade now. Our initiatives have grown into massive projects that aim to fight hunger from every angle, from home-cooked food at zero cost to bonding over preparing meals, from raising millions to procure grocery bags for families, to solving the hunger crisis of an entire village that was once pushed into extreme poverty. Our experience and resources established since the last 50 years enables us to fulfill needs even during the most challenging times. When the pandemic hit us, we set up an everyday Leo kitchen, serving 1,000 meals daily. Through mega projects and things as little as donating money every time one wastes food, we've ingrained the thought that every stomach filled is the purest form of blessing into every Leo. So it comes naturally to our future leaders to take on this legacy. Imagine doing the same thing every day for the last 50 years. You get better at it day by day. Your legacy grows into the best version of itself. Relieving hunger has grown to become our legacy. We not only document this story on the MyLion app to reach out to lions and Leos worldwide, but also engrave our impact into the minds of every individual through our widely reached social media platforms, press releases, and opportunities to collaborate, helping everyone replicate it, so that our goal to have a hunger-free world is realized sooner than ever. When a mouth is fed, it smiles. Our legacy is serving smiles.